What the fuck is up, you guys and people on the internet? My name is Breon. If you're new here, hi, I make random videos online, kind of tech related videos on this channel. And today is a day that I thought would never happen. Hell froze over in my household today because I'm going to be unboxing an Android phone on this channel for the first time. So, you may be wondering, why did I torture myself and get stuff in Android? Well, because I wanted to. I wanted to. So, if y'all have been living underneath the rock, Samsung released this new Galaxy flip phone the past couple years, and I've had my little eyes on them for a long time. I've really wanted one. I've always been kind of like, I kind of like Samsung, but I don't really like Samsung. But with this Z Flip series, I'm like, I kind of want that. And if Apple makes an iPhone flip, I will be so happy and I will fucking rush out to the store and I'll buy that shit. But they haven't made that yet. And also the Galaxy Z Flip costs like $800 still. And I don't want to spend that much money on a secondary phone. Because this is going to be a secondary phone, guys. Because I don't want to spend another $1,000 on another phone. So this will only cost me $54 after tax. So we're on a bargain. We're on a bargain hunter. And it's one of those prepaid phones or whatever you call it. So yeah, I guess we're going to get into the video. So yes, getting this phone was a little bit of a hassle because I did order one off Amazon first. That was actually the most expensive thing. It was like $74 after tax. That one took way too long to ship. I was too impatient and too bored, so I decided to cancel that order. Then I found one on Walmart.com last night, and I was like, okay, I'm going to get this phone. Turns out in the morning I got a text saying that they don't have that one in stock, so they had to order another one. When they're all the same exact phone, so I don't really care. But this time on Simple Mobile. I never used Simple Mobile before. I think I only one of the two prepaid carriers I've used were Mint Mobile, which I like a lot, and then Walmart Family Mobile, which I absolutely hate. So Straight Talk, I don't know. We'll see if it's any good. I don't know. But anyways, that's enough of me ranting about this shit. We're gonna get right into the unboxing experience, and I'm gonna turn off this background blur because I don't know if you can see. Actually, you can. So I'm gonna keep the background blur on, but we're going to get into the unboxing because this is taking too long. So this package includes, like it says on the back of the box, but I'm not going to show you guys the back of the box because it has some important activation information on it. I don't know if I'm going to have to pay for a plan for this phone. I do not plan on using this phone with data. I just got it because it was super cheap and I wanted an Android phone and I didn't want to buy one on eBay because I got one on eBay last time and it turns out that phone might have been stolen. So I don't like that. It was a Google Pixel. I don't know if you guys remember that. I posted a Google Pixel review switching to Android video a while back. Why am I like waving this around? Like I'm gonna fucking cut someone. I did that a while back, like 2 years ago, and I think the phone was stolen because the IMEI was bad, so I decided just to get a fresh one. And honestly, for 45 bucks, I'm not expecting wows. I'm not expecting amazingness. I'm just expecting a phone that's gonna work. And that's all I need it for because I'm just gonna use it for Android. So we're gonna see if we have to spend another $45 just to get a freaking plan to get this thing to work, because literally the plan that it would cost me would be $35, which is almost more than half of how much I paid for this phone. So I'm gonna be a little bit upset if I have to pay for that. Beep beep boop 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 boop. But if I have to pay for it for science and buy it for 1 month, so fucking be it. I don't know. But anyways, let's get this shit open. Plastic or something like that. I don't know. Wow, they really sealed this. This is freaking weird. So what the hell? So, cut it open. This is trash. No one cares about that. Here's the phone. So, literally fucking boring. So it comes with a start here activation guide, which I guess has a SIM card in it or something like that. I don't know, but we'll deal with that later. It's got how to get the most, and it's got a little about your phone guide, which I don't think this is a Samsung guide. I think this is literally just a Straight Talk guide. So discover, use, enjoy, whatever. I don't care. So, this is the most boring unboxing experience ever. I don't know why. I was really upset because I was hoping that it would actually come in the Samsung box, because the Samsung boxes are quite nice, but it only comes in this fucking cheap plastic box. Here it is, and it's actually kind of a nice weight. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, but you know, again, whatever. So we're just gonna do the aesthetic peeling because the Apple iPhones don't do that anymore, so we're gonna do it here because apparently Samsung doesn't care about the planet. But ooh, okay, Samsung, This actually isn't that bad. It's actually pretty big. It's like a big bar phone, but I don't like it because you have to like reach up to the top. So it's almost the exact same size as my 13 Pro Max, just a little bit longer, which is weird. It's got a smaller screen technically, but again, I really don't care. Here's how the back of it looks. I have a little sticker on the back I have to remove, but honestly, the back feels really nice. Like, I'm surprised. And it's got the 3 camera system like the really expensive Galaxies, so we'll see how the experience is. But here's the phone so far. Honestly, not bad. Trash. We got a terms of service thing, because I don't know if I have to read that. We have a SIM card ejector. Cute. Love that. We have a quick reference guide, a places on Wi-Fi calling device. Cool. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. And then we got a USB-C to USB-A cable, and then the actual like brick thing. So quite cool, I guess. I don't know, but there it is. So here's the charger. I guess we'll open up the charger for you guys. It's a pretty standard Samsung charger. Oh my god, that's pathetic. This is not even, is this even 3 feet? This is not 3 feet. That's not even 3, oh my god. Samsung. I mean, that should be more made at Walmart. How is this 3 feet? This is 3 feet. This is a 3-foot iPhone cable. This is a, 1 foot Samsung cable. Let's see. Let's see. Oh my god, that's literally, dude, what the fuck, Samsung? Why'd you give me such a small ass cord for this thing? I mean, again, I didn't pay much money for it, so I'm not really that upset, but the unboxing experience already is just kind of let down, so the guide that they gave me just doesn't even tell me what to do. It just says go to straighttalk.com to activate it, so I'm just gonna freaking turn the thing on. We'll see what happens. Maybe it will explode, maybe not. We'll see what happens. It vibrated. Samsung A02s. Yeah, that's a phone. I forgot to tell you guys what phone it was. It's a Samsung Galaxy A02s. I can tell that the screen quality is to be desired. Oh, track phone, fuck you. It's very laggy so far, so that's interesting. But the screen quality is not bad, not amazing, but not great. Starting Android, okay. I should probably turn off the background filter. Service provider update. Your device will need to start to configure features supported by the new SIM card. Okay. It's going to restart itself, so I don't know. It didn't give me a SIM card and insert it, so I don't know, but the screen so far, I mean, it was $50. I mean, it's not the best screen, but again, it costed me $50, so yeah, but let's go. So let's start. Let's go. So we're supposed to hit the arrow. So we're gonna hit the arrow. Check out some information. I have read everything. Whatever. Go to next. We're gonna choose a Wi-Fi network. So we're gonna choose my Wi-Fi network. Okay. Here we go. We are finally in the phone. I have not activated it yet. I'm not sure how to activate it or if I have to activate it, but I think I may have to just because they're gonna get mad at me if I don't. But yeah, I'm just figuring out Android so far. But here it is. This is the Android. Isn't there Google Now? I guess I got rid of Google Now. Okay, here's, well, what? Oh, you swipe up and you swipe like this. Okay. We should go into the camera app and test out the camera because that's the most important part of a phone is the camera. A selfie. Hey, turn around. It's not turning around. It's just freaking out right now. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is... There's no way this is this bad. Is it? Holy shit, this is bad. Oh my god. I am a little stunned. You know. I will obviously export this picture and show you guys the actual quality of it, but This is worse than Android phones from like 10 years ago. Okay, so it's actually not that bad of the photo quality. The details are there. It's just on the Samsung screen of the phone, it is absolutely putrid and looks bad. So that's why I was reacting to it so badly. If you do some little light editing to this picture, it's actually not going to be that terrible. But I mean, yeah, I'm not switching to my iPhone anytime soon because yikes. I mean, the quality is there. Like, you can see me, you can zoom in, so it's not horrible. But it is so blue and so not true to life that's almost unacceptable. I'm a little upset. This is not good. This is not good quality, but we already knew that going into this, so I can already tell it's slow. I can already tell it's going to be a little bit buggy. But that is it for this portion of the video. I want to come back to this after a day, after I get everything set up and do the home screen and everything like that. So that concludes this portion of my Samsung unboxing. It's already hot. Wait, can I do the... I can't tap the screen to... Samsung. Why can't I tap the screen to turn... I may have to do this, but... Alright, I need to go activate this phone. I need to go see how to set it up, but... So I decided I wanted to be edgy and make this a two-part video. So this is part one, the unboxing. Part two is going to be the review / reaction to Android and stuff like that. Because I need more content for this channel, I'm going to make it 2 parts. I don't really fucking care. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to see part 2, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Click the notification bell. I don't know what the fuck to do. Whatever, bye.